everybody. Good morning. Okay, we are on, I think, day 18 of our little intro video challenges. And so welcome. We're doing short little daily videos to help you get familiar with the moves in my classes. I teach online virtual fitness classes in my studio. Welcome. And I teach 4 days a week live streamed, or you can catch the replays. And these videos are to help you get familiar with the moves, some of the common names of the moves, the pace of the moves. The formats that I teach are music-based, so we do move to the beat, so it gets you familiar with how we move. And hopes that you're going to be ready to take a full class with me or try in the new year, which is today. Today is 2021, so good time to start. Speaking of 2021, here's our quote of the day. We always have a quote of the day in my classes, and this one made me laugh. So you guys, today's challenge, we are building on the last 2 days. So if you have not done the other ones, I've posted them above or below this, or I'll put the playlist up here. But you do need to have the last 2 days first. You have to have done those because we were building up that HIIT section, remember? And so otherwise the other ones don't really need to be in any order except for the last couple. All right, does that make sense? So go do those first. I'll also put them in the links below so that you have, did I already say that? I'll see that you have them. And make sure you're in our Facebook group, which is an amazing place to be. And that's where I post all my class links and all the fun people hang out there. So who just texted me? Hi, Jenny. All right, so we're going to get into it today. In my workout virtual studio, we have an awesome setup for you. So a front view and a side view, which is great, so that you can see what's going on. We're building on the HIIT sections from yesterday, you guys, and the day before. So you already know the first two sections, right? Because you've done those. And if you haven't done them, go do them. Today we're going to add the third section. So I'm going to preview the moves. We're going to try it to the beat of the music. You hear the beat? I'll turn up the music, don't worry. And then we're going to put it all together, the first section, the second section, and the third section from the previous 2 days. All right, here are the previews for section 3. So we start with one burpee, okay? One burpee. It's down, hop back, hop in, hop up. If that's too much, because we go fast, then just do a squat with a step back, squat, and lift. That's your modification for a burpee. And you can always do that for burpees. You don't ever have to do a full burpee. So one burpee, then you're gonna hear me say W pop. That means you're gonna pop to your W stance. W is because your arms kind of make that W position. W, do you see it? So you're gonna W pop, and then you punch it out, okay? Then we do one more burpee, down, back, in, and up. You're gonna hear me say W pop, and we punch the other way. That's the first part. Second part is called Lunge Pops. They sound like a tasty popsicle treat, but they're not. So here's a lunge pop. Lunge pop. It's 1, 2, pop. 1, 2, pop. 1, 2, switch. It is a high impact move. If you do not want to jump, then you just do a 1, 2, and a quick step. 1, 2, quick step. 1, 2, quick step. 1, 2, quick step, okay? You don't have to do high impact. You can always modify. Okay, so to speed that up, it's gonna be burpee once, we W pop, we punch, we burpee again, option to do the modified burpee, we punch it out, we do lunge pops, 1, 2, pop, 1, 2, pop, 1, 2, pop, okay? And then we repeat. That's the second section. Let's try it to music. It's gonna be fast. Are you ready? You can do it a few times if you need to. Okay, I'm turning the music up for us. I like the music loud in my classes. We actually turn it up very loud. I suggest a good pair of headphones. All right, going up. We're gonna leave it at this volume for today. In a normal class, I turn it up louder. All right, so let's try this section. Get my music back here. So we have one burpee to start. Remember with the W pop and the punches. It's gonna be fast. Here we go, here we go, here we go. One burpee, go, down, back. Now W pop right here, punch. See, it's the beat. Burpee again, 1. Pop it up, W, punch. Hey, here comes old lunge pops right here. 1, 2, pop and switch. Pop and switch. option, you just step it in. 1, 2, switch. 1, 2, switch. It's fast. You don't want to jump? Okay, let's do it again. Burpee. Pop it up. Punch. Burpee again. Pop it up. Punch. Lunge pops. Here we go. 1, 2, pop and switch. Pop and switch. Pop and switch. Keep going. You can do the option modified. Hey, we did it. That's the pace. That's the pace. Now, we're gonna try putting it together with the first, and here my mouth. With the first section, the second section, and that brand new one. Okay? This is where I'm telling you, you should have gone to watch those other videos first. So we're gonna do all 3. No breaks. Hey, is your heart rate already up? Mine is. We already worked out. And also there's still no heat in this room, which is why I'm wearing a sweatshirt. Go Hawks. I'm not even from Iowa. My husband is. All right, so let me find the song. And we're gonna do all moves in one long string. And you guys, I highly encourage you to rewind and try this over and over and over again. Okay, jump rope.
Round 88.
So remember, we're starting with that step, knee, swipe, swipe. Then we go to the 7-step. We go to the zigzag. Is it coming back to you? Here we go. Step and knee. Here we go. Step, knee. Now 2 swipes. 2 knees. 2 swipes. Yes. Heels are coming. Get down low. Jump rope heels. Now hold it. Hold. Hold again. Hold it. Go. Remember 7-step? We're doing it. Right here to the right. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold. Other way. Fast. Look at your watch. Woo. Fasting. Boom. Okay. Speed bag right here. Go. Get low. Now switch. Now zigzag. Little crunches. Hold. Hold. Speed. Switch. Zigzag. Hold it. Okay. Here's 1 burpee. We're at the new part. Pop it. Punch it. Burpee again. Option. Don't go back. Punch it up. Lunge pops. Here we go. 1, 2, pop. 1, 2, pop. Option. You don't have to pop it. You can just do a little hop there. A little teeny one. Woo! Yeah. That's it. Hey, should we try it one more time?
Drop it.
Do we have time?
Drop it.
Oh yeah, we have time. Let's do it one more time. All the way through. This is how you get good.
Drop it.
Repetition.
Drop it.
Do you hear this part? This is what we're going to do tomorrow.
Go.
Or not tomorrow, Monday.
Go.
Monday. All right, let's try it again. One more time. This is so fun.
Go.
Okay.
Go.
Start this song over. You guys, this is from Turbo Kick. I think I forgot to say that. This is from Turbo Kick, from the cardio kickboxing workouts that I teach. Okay, jump
Round
rope.
88.
We're doing it all again. Repeating. Woo! I'm tired. Here we go. Step knee twice. Go. Now 2 swipes. 2 knees. 2 swipes. Yes, keep going. 1 more. Now get down low. Jump rope heels. Hold it.
Go.
Again.
Go.
Woo!
Go.
It's so much fun doing turbo, you guys. 7 steps to the right. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold. Hold. Every time you do it, you get better. Be big. Right here. Go wide. Big. Now switch. Now zigzag. Tailbone is tucked. Hold it. Speed. Switch. Zigzag. Hold it. 1 burpee here. Down. Back. Jump it up. W pop. Punch. Burpee again. Down. Back. Pop it. Punch it. Okay. Lunge pops. Pick your level. Pop it. Pop it. So you're vertical. Going up and down. That knee needs to be right over the ankle. So it's not sticking out. Woo! Done. Those lunge pops are no joke.
Drop it. Drop it.
Okay,
Drop it.
turn the music down for us. Hey, good job.
Drop it.
That's not easy.
Drop it. Drop it.
All right, music is down. Turning my music down. I gotta catch my breath.
Go. Go.
I don't want to be breathing in your face. All right.
Go.
Okay, what are we doing? Thank you. Hey, when you come to my classes, you get a sticker every day. This was today's sticker. 2020 participation trophy. New Year is here, you guys. So what changes do you want to make? You don't have to wait for a new year to make changes, but it's a good time to do it because everything feels fresh and new and great and fun. That feeling does go away though, so I'm here to help it stay. We have fun in my classes every single day. You guys, our Facebook group is amazing. I've already said that. Make sure you're in that group. Join it. It's somewhere below in the link in the description. And make sure you are in Lindsay's group for the fun giveaways for workout clothes. What else? You can follow in any of these lovely platforms. I think that's it. Did you like this challenge? We have one more section to learn. We'll do that Monday. And then we'll put everything together on Monday for our final HIIT build-up. You guys, it's so fun doing every single move all together in one big string. And did you hear those sound effects? Those are super motivating when you're in a class and you like, again, it's just the music and the moves moving to the beat. There's something very powerful about that. And that's what we do in all of my formats and all the classes that I teach. So anyway, this video's getting too long. So I'm saying goodbye. Happy Friday. Happy 2021. And enjoy this challenge. Okay, bye.
Go. 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 Go.